Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read. Let's see what's going on with you Aquarius now, what's going on with your person. And these are general collective readings, Aquarius, will not resonate with all of you. Please take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. Alright Aquarius, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Aquarius, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright, so Aquarius newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person. And in the center, I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, your mutual cards, action cards, dialogue message cards, etc. And but for me, Aquarius, this is going to be person A, okay? This is going to be person B. If this is your story, you'll know which side you resonate best with. Action for person A and action for person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the Queen of Cups in reverse. Why is this Queen in reverse, Spirit? I see a King of Pentacles and a Four of Wands. Things seem... somebody wants it all and it's in good faith. Whereas the other person, I think they are also wanting to now get out of this looking back and regret and sorrow. They don't want to be stuck in that cycle. Maybe if they've been going back and forth in their mind, they are also kind of dropping that. Seems to be not a bad reading though. I wonder why the Queen of Cups is still in reverse though. Let me check. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards for you Aquarius. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify all the cards. Aquarius and their person, Spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Aquarius and their person. One more. Aquarius and their person. Thank you. Let's take a few more Aquarius from this deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. One more. Alright, good to go. Let's start your reading, Aquarius. The first card here says, I feel so stupid for choosing lust over love. Do you really believe I'm the one for you? Secretly doing things behind your back. You deserve to be loved. You are very special. I daydream about being the mother/father of your children. Are you sorry for hurting me? I want to make things right between us. Wishing you the best, even if it's with someone else. Alright Aquarius, these were some of the messages for you. If these were resonating, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. One more. Peaceful. Yeah, somebody's been praying for things to become peaceful again. I really do feel that. Things to have reciprocity, to have that equal give and take, to bring peace, harmony, balance back into this connection. It is coming. There is a big possibility of that. Like I said, it doesn't seem to be a very bad reading or anything like that. Let's see what's happening. We'll start with the energies of person A. So Spirit, person A is in the feelings of the Five of Cups in reverse and the Two of Pentacles in reverse. Why is that? They've come to some clarity now. They've come to some clarity as to why this stagnancy has happened in this connection. They are recognizing that It could be because of some immature behavior or whatever they did, which has totally backfired on them, by the way. They do want to come out of this stressful place that they find themselves in, because now they've realized that there is deep, deep, deep love for their person. Person A doesn't want to live in this sadness, regret, unhappiness. They want to pull themselves out of this overthinking. They feel, they feel this was, whatever happened between the two of you was very foolish, immature, childish, and whatever games were played here didn't make any sense, right? So now they want to start again with something stable. They have that clarity now of who they love beyond. This is like true love. So what are they dropping, Spirit, with the Two of Pentacles? I think doubts. What if they had any doubts? If they were stuck or they had any doubts, they don't want to be in that place of imbalance anymore. They want to make that one decision. They want to make that choice. They want to make that choice not to be in indecision anymore. So what happened, Spirit, in the recent past for person A to be feeling this way? Three of Wands in reverse. What's this, Spirit? One more. And what was the communication about? The Eight of Wands. Commitment. Marriage. Commitment. And working things out. They do, yeah. Yes, I think somebody made a wrong judgment call. They want to turn the clock back, I feel. Maybe in the past, this person A could have turned their back to an offer or make an offer. Maybe they disrespected their partner. Maybe they didn't offer them commitment. They were not sure. But now it seems they do want to communicate. They do want to communicate. Let's work it out. I'm not happy without you. I'm stressed out without you. I do want commitment. I do want long term with you. But things are still stuck yet. So why, Spirit? Eight of Wands. I think somebody wants those barriers to come down. They want to come and reveal. They don't want to keep any more secrets. They don't want to shut this chapter down. That they've decided that I love person B and that's it. So how do you see person B now, person A? Or how do you see this connection? Person A says, I want reciprocity. I'm willing to give and take equally. Yes, see, Six of Pentacles, clarified. Two different decks. So person A sees an equal partnership with person B now. They really want equal partnership, temperance as well. So this is harmony, peace, balance. One more, Spirit, for temperance. Yeah, somebody wants to have victory in this connection. They want to go back. They want to fix the things that have happened which have created any kind of unrest in this connection. Maybe they didn't have the guts. But at the moment, I think they're a little worried also because they feel that their person is not going to take them seriously anymore. They are seeing their person as looking single and beautiful and attractive. And they fear they may not be able to speak their truth. They don't know what work to put in, how to take action, because they're seeing their person as dynamic, beautiful, single, abundant. Person B, let's see what's happening on your side. King of Pentacles. I think somebody expected their person to be that King of Pentacles, upright, they dreamt that my person will take charge or whatever, and that I think person B also had the same thought in their mind that this can turn out to be a beautiful connection, right? But they could have been a tower moment. There could have been a fight. There could have been some rash behavior, maybe by this King of Wands, who maybe didn't take things seriously at that point. This could have led to a big blow up here. There were some unwise decisions made regarding a commitment. Four of Wands. Yes. Somebody was not happy that they were not offered either an apology or a love offer. They felt that person was not fulfilling their wishes to come true where commitment was concerned, and they kind of felt that they were being emotionally manipulated by their person, because person A probably never opened up in the past, never revealed how they truly felt. So what happened, person B, from your perspective in the recent past? Nine of Wands. Yes, person B feels that my person person B feels I really wanted to try to make things work, but my person was always blocking me off. This pattern became very toxic. This happened too many times. I had no option. I had no option to, cut out communication. But I did try to have... I tried many times. Person B says, I tried many times to revive this connection, to end our fights, to head towards commitment. But my person, they were a magician. They just kept taking from me each time, depleted me. They never gave to the connection, so I had no choice. I walked away. I walked away from this emotional unhappiness. So how do you feel about the connection now, person B? The moon. Why is the moon here? I think person B is worried that there may not be a reunion. Even though I think they still, heart of hearts, are very emotional about person A, they still dream of this beautiful connection, that it can lead to the 10 of Cups even now. I think person B is still hoping and wishing that one day this connection is going to transform completely, where there can be a brand new beginning. This 2 of Cups is still heavily on their mind, and so is the 10 of Cups, and so is the Ace of Pentacles. But I think person B could be keeping it a secret in their heart, because they're trying not to think about it. They're trying not to think about it, but they do hope the person will come towards them. But they worry. But they do worry that what if they come back in the same way as a Knight of Wands? What if they don't want to offer me what I deserve? So there's a lot of worry that I see here on person B's end. Let's see, person A, will you take any action? Queen of Swords. Oh my God, I'm going to take a different deck for this one. And of course, I'm going to request you, Aquarius, to hit that like button. Please, it helps the videos to circulate. And newbies, don't forget to push that notification bell if you are subscribing, so that you get notified for next time. So person A, why is the action the Queen of Swords in reverse? Why is your action that? I think person A is also worried. Oh my God, the minute I said worried, I get the 9 of Swords. So person A is very worried that they have upset their partner to a level where they may have just been cut out of their life. Why? Because they were very slow in coming. They didn't offer anything. 10 of Swords, they feel they kind of destroyed this connection because they didn't take action fast enough, I guess. So will you take any action now, person A? Oh yes, they want to. Knight of Swords. They want to, if they could, if they were not this afraid, well, they would have rushed yesterday. But there's a little bit of fear, a little bit of worry that it may be too late, or their person is too upset and angry with them. Some of them may just take that chance and still move towards and see what happens. Some of them could be very afraid of this Queen of Swords now. So person B, So I think, yeah, so see, that's why these two cards came out. Somebody is praying for peace and harmony, for things to cool down maybe. Person B, will you take any action? The Star. Person B is healing. After being totally depleted, yes, they feel very burdened by this connection. 10 of Wands. They feel this is I can't take any more of this. I mean, I've been holding the entire connection on my shoulders. They do want this. They still do want this reconnection, though. They are looking forward to this reunion, but they are also kind of not sure whether it's going to happen. So will you take any action, person B? Will you take any action? One more. Wow. Yes, I think person B is quite keen. They're quite keen. If person A will even show a little bit of investing back into this connection, I think it's going to make person B feel very happy. They are manifesting happiness. They want this 9 of Cups. They want this victory. They want happiness in their life even now. They're just, I think, waiting for that person to put in a bit of investment, to show them that they care. If they do, I have a feeling this connection can go in a very good way. Somebody is praying for this peace to come back into this connection, Aquarius. So I'm going to ask person A once again. Person A, will you take any action towards person B? I'm telling you, they're not angry, as angry as you think they are. They just want you to put in effort. So if will you put in any effort? Will you communicate or send a message or anything like that? There is a lot of love, by the way. First of all, there is a lot of love from person A's end. Like I said, they desperately want to take this action. They're only worried of the conflict. What if it ends up in another fight? So they're going back and forth in their mind. They are stressing, they are thinking of how to come about, how to start again. The love is there, so don't worry, person B. They feel a very strong connection. They're, I think, just praying and waiting for things to cool down or the peace to come back before they can take their action, because they're a little worried about the conflict. They are kind of figuring it out. Give them a little time. I'm sure they'll get it. So person B, any action from your end? Or are you just going to wait? 3 of Pentacles. Hermit. Person B is waiting. They are in hermit mode. They haven't gone anywhere, person A. They are by themselves. They are healing from whatever. I don't know. But yes, they are open to reconciliation. They are open to working things out. So don't take too long, because you are person B's happiness as well. This is a strong connection, Aquarius. This is a strong connection with the 2 of Cups, and yeah, both of you feeling bored, lonely, sad, and the only reason that person B has walked away is because they were not given that offer that they were expecting. But the world is here, new beginnings are possible. Person B is just healing. They're by themselves, taking care of themselves, waiting for this honesty and truth from one person, that yes, I am committed and I want it for the long haul. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste, Aquarius.